Welcome back, Star Travelers. Alright, Lord Vader's on the floor. He's not pleased with the two-part video of the wings, so he has informed me he wants the one wing in one video. So, no time to hesitate because we don't want to make Lord Vader mad, force choke us. So he's gonna sit right there. Let me see, is this the... It is. It's the Vader when he transforms. This is the transforming Vader from the Emperor Palpatine shuttle set, which I can't recall off the top of my head what set number that is. I don't have all my info in front of me, but I do have that set as well, which is really cool. Alright, so let's not make him wait. Let's get this done. I'm actually doing this all at once, one wing video, because I think my video camera is going to hold out for an entire video shoot. And not only that, I'm getting towards the end of it and I just want to get it done. So I'm not going to talk very much on this one. Just kick back and watch it happen. Sorry if I'm building off camera. I'm concentrating. I gotta get real close because I'm blind as a bat. Okay, get my headphones on my head right. Alright. Let's see. Okay. Get back on task here. In there. If you hear me count to myself, that's just to keep myself straight on where I'm at in the model. Pump that together. Get some of these. There. I gotta try to keep myself reminding me where I'm at in the set. Boy, I hope there are none of these that are broken. If there are, then I got trouble because I didn't inspect them. All right. This is gonna go quick, folks, hopefully, because I'd really like to get this wing done quick. It is time consuming, as you saw in the previous two videos. I think I can get it down to less than an hour if I just haul butt. So there won't be much talking in this video. I really wish I could play some Star Wars music over top of this. Like maybe the Emperor's theme. That'd be really cool. Okay. But because of copyright issues, I can't do that. I would love to, don't get me wrong, I would really love to. But I can't. As I found out the hard way. Okay. That's together. Okay, I'm making sure I didn't lose track where I'm at. Okay, that's that one, right? 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. Yeah, that's it. That sticks out, those stick out there. And that. Okay, that part of the wing is complete. On with this. For these, I'll just grab pieces that I need them. I have grabbed all the pieces I'm going to need. Actually, there were all the pieces that almost left in the box. There's still quite a few left for the guns. And I do have one piece in there that is an oddball piece because I broke a piece. I broke one of the pieces. Or, I don't think I broke it, but just over time and wear and tear and taking it apart, putting it back together. That type of thing. You know how it goes. Alright. And there's a lot of those single pieces. What am I missing here? God, I'm getting ahead of myself here again. Okay, I got that. Okay. No, didn't get ahead of myself. Just checking myself. There we go. And this goes on over here. Right? Yep. Maybe, hopefully, I'll see if I grab 3 extra pieces in the other wing when I have the 3 pins left over. I'm still not sure if I just jumped the gun and looked at an extra step or 2 or whatnot. And we will find out. Okay. That goes in there. There. And I'm talking to myself. But then again, when I shoot these videos, that's what I'm doing anyway. Talking to myself. Keep myself company. Alright. It's not that cold out here tonight, good thing. Last night was quite chilly. Okay. I believe this is where the 4th one. I have to refer to the other side real quick. I thought I was looking at the wrong section of the wrong manual. Because I'm sitting there going, you know, I put it up against the other side to see where the gray part went over there. And when I put it against it, it's like a mirror image. And I'm like thinking, oh no, did I, am I reading the wrong book? No, I get it right. This is the 4th book. The 3rd book had the other wing in it. Okay. That's done deal. Before I lose top track where I'm at. Let's get back to the build. Okay. I wasn't going to do this last video tonight, but I figured I had all the lights out, all the pieces, so I figured, what the heck, get it done, you know? Besides, that's what Lord Vader wanted. Okay. That part of the wing is done. I'll put this over away. Okay. Let's get on with this. Hopefully I don't lose track of what I'm doing. And like I said, I'm going to try not to talk that much in this one. It's more of a concentration thing here now. Plus, if you've seen one video, if you've actually sitting down to watch this other side go in, then you're a diehard Lego person like me. And you just want to see it done in real time, which is really cool, because I am taking the time to video it. Just gotta watch my time. 10 minutes so far. I try not to make it more than an hour, only because I'm just not sure what the video will do over an hour. Plus, I mean, I don't know about y'all. I mean, I love building them, but to sit there and watch someone build something for an hour might get boring. I don't know. To me, actually, it's not boring, but I can see where it would. But you know, if you got the pieces to build the set and you don't have the instructions for it, or can't find it online, even though you can download the any instructions online. I believe they sell them sort of like an ebook. I could be wrong, but I have downloaded free instruction manuals before. The B-Wing Fighter, actually, I lost the instruction booklet for it, and I had to download it, the instructions. Killed my printer ink, though. I didn't even think about the amount of ink it would take to print up a full colored book, but I needed the colors because I needed to know what colors went where. And that was a long time ago. Alright. And I did it over at my parents' house. I thought my mother was going to kill me when I ran out of her ink. Oh, got mosquitoes out here already. That's right, though. I got the extra layers of protection. I might have to roll down my sleeves here soon to keep the mosquitoes off, but unfortunately, I got nothing to protect my head, my face, and they can get brutal out here in Florida. They'll eat you alive, so to speak. We get some really big mosquitoes here in Florida. I seen one carry off a small truck the other day. No, I'm just joking, no. But they do get big. Okay, let's see. 4 of these. And again, I am keeping this laying down just to keep all the pieces straight. And also so you can see it better when it's on the paper there. You can probably see it better on the brown desk, but you know. Alright, let's see. One of these. One of those. Ah, the winds are blowing. We're supposed to get some rain, I think. It's also another reason I'm doing this. I mean, where I'm recording these videos are outside, so when it starts raining and winding, I took down my protection from the outside a couple weeks ago, and so if it starts raining and it blows in sideways, then I have nothing to protect me from the wind and rain. Excuse me. Alright. And I don't want to get wet. Okay, that goes on. There's some blue pins off the side. I remember I forgot these the last time. And this one. Can't forget the top. Okay. One of these. Everybody ready for Thanksgiving? I know I am. I'm thinking about not eating for the next couple days. Just because I want to fill up on all the good turkey and everything else that goes with it. Okay, there's other pins. Pay attention. Okay, this one. Where am I at? Okay. I lost track of where I was at. That's alright though. I got it. I got it handled. Okay, I believe this is almost where I stopped on the first video. And the computer went to sleep. I hope that's not messing up my video when it does that. The computer's getting tired of recording, I think. Hopefully it doesn't do what it did to me on my AT&T video. It's like I'm going on strike. Because there's only a few more steps left of this set. I really want to keep the video series going, but if my video recorder gets bogged down again, I might abandon the video part of this web page. I'm not sure. We'll see. Either that, or I can do it with oh, sorry, I'm losing track of where I'm at. I can do it with a video camera, my digital camera, but I'm not 100% sure if it's got the memory. I might have to just make some really short videos, like half-hour long, maybe total time videos. I'm not sure yet though. We'll see. Okay, we're getting there. Alright, 4 more of these. The only 4 left. Hope everybody can see that. Yep, it's still on video. Alright, it's getting there. I'm trying to keep all my blocks together. And let's get this on. You happy, Lord Vader? I'm going as fast as I can. Alright. I believe that's where I stopped the other video. I could be wrong. Alright. Let's see. Trying to remember where I am here in the set. This ties the wing together. Come on. Oh man. Oh, it just wants to be difficult tonight. There it goes. Alright. That ties that part together. Alright. Make sure I got all the pins. One pin that goes in the middle here. Right there, I think. Right? Yeah. That keeps that rigid. See, some of these just don't want to go together right. Alright. I got everything? 4, 2, 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, 1 in the... Okay. Next. One of these. that together. There we go. And this goes down here. Like that. Alright. Oh, here comes the shaky part. Or the hairy, scary part, because the parts that are broken. I gotta find a part that's not broken. Sorry if I'm going off camera. I gotta find one that's not broken. Dang. Most of them are broken. All 4 of those are broken. I'm hoping I can come across at least 2 that aren't. Okay, there's one that's not. Only because I want 2 that are solid on the outsides. And they're solid on the outside there, but I'm trying not to put this pin through any parts that are snapped or cracked. And just like the last wing. Oh yeah, you can see that. I don't know if you can see that on camera. See that crack at the very end by my fingertips? I don't know if you can see that or not on camera. You see the dark line right by my fingernail there. That's the crack in it. And that's the one that's not cracked, right? Wow. I can't believe how many are actually cracked. I'm going to make sure this is right because I don't want to have to push on these too hard. Ouch, that can hurt. Alright. That's pretty even. What do you think? Look pretty even? What do you think? Oh man. See, I put them all together and now you can see how cracked they are. I don't know if you can see this on camera. No. They're cracked. You can see them. Well, I can see them. Oh, they're cracked on both sides. Whew. Wow. Amazing. Dear Lego, these, make them a little more sturdy, please. Okay. Or different plastic or something. Please. Okay, those are in. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside. Only because I'm not whispering. I'm just a quiet talker when I'm talking to myself. I'm not used to talking to myself still. I'm still an amateur video person, so I don't want the neighbors over here to go, is he crazy? He sure is talking to himself a lot. No, not crazy. Although a lot of people think I am for making a Star Wars Lego website. There's a few that don't think I'm crazy, the ones that are liking it. My family just doesn't quite understand very much, but that's right, they will. They will eventually, if no matter what. I'm gonna get them to see that oh, I missed a step, believe it or not. Yeah, hard to believe, huh? Alright, and then these go in. Where do they go? Hey, but you know what? Even though I miss a step or two every once in a while, I catch myself, and that's a good thing. Because, you know, if you don't catch yourself, then you're in for trouble down the road. Okay. Next page. Trying to go quick. We're already up to 24 minutes and there's still a lot of parts left. I don't want to go too quick and step past a part and have to go back and redo something, because that's just not good for business. Oh, that went on real easy. It's not cracked, but boy, did it go on easy. That went on kind of easy too. Let's see, another part, another one of these. Hopefully my nephew Dominic is watching my videos. Should be really cool. Hi Dominic, if you're watching. And all my friends at where I normally work, if they're watching. Yes, I've lost my mind. No. They already know I'm a little bit off. Allison, who is my fiance, she says I'm touched. Alright. That's all put together. Okay. Now the other two. Ooh, that one went on nice and solid. And that's a good sign, because that means it's going to fit tight and the wing will be sturdy. If I don't snap a connector pin in half by forcing stuff on. Alright. Now I gotta put 2 more pins in. One there. One there. One more of these. Goes right like that. And then these. One there. Sorry if I'm holding it so you can't see it, but you'll see it when I put it down. You've already seen it in one video. So, okay. This is the last one of these pieces of the set, that beam. Now I gotta put 2 push pins through it. Make sure I got the right holes lined up. There's one. There's the other one. Okay, time to bring the wing back into play. And connect the dots. There we go. Oh, beautiful. And that one piece is this happened on the last one. Okay. It should be pretty good. Everything's holding pretty good. Okay. Getting there. Alright. I'm going to set this back off to the side so it doesn't get smacked around. Here we go. Here comes that part that's a little shaky. But I think I did pretty well on the last time. That's together. Here comes the fun part. And you know what I'm talking about by fun. I'm being a little sarcastic when I say that. Alright. I'm going to try not to get ahead of myself here. Glancing down at my video, or over at my video, and glancing down to see if I got the steps right. I'm kind of flying through this one this time. I'm trying to, at least. But if you're doing this at home and you're putting it together for the first time, I wouldn't fly through it. Enjoy it. It is a really fun model to build. Any of them are fun. I think the funnest one I have, I have to think about this one. I think I answered this question once before in another video. I mean, they're all fun to build, don't get me wrong. I think the one I like the most Alright, got some critter running around in the backyard. I think it's the cat. Just never sure out here. Okay, those are together. I'll lay this down here, and well, might as well lay it down now. Things just aren't quite going together too smooth here. I'm gonna have to get back to you on the one that I think is, hands down, I still think my motorized walker's got to be the funnest, with the exception of the legs, which are like the tedious part, because there's 4 of them and they're all the same, and putting them together, they get kind of boring putting together. But the motorized part, yeah, that's the funnest part, I think, of the whole set. Alright. Well, if I recall, this part of the model went together pretty quick the last time I put it together. And it's going together fairly quick again this time, too. I got everything pushed together nice and tight. Okay, if you watch the last video, I did mess up on this section of it. I actually bypassed a couple parts, and it was pretty hairy scary there, trying to pop the piece in. I'm not going to do that again. I'll take my time and make sure I got the steps right this time. So what's everybody want for Christmas? I know what I want. I know what I'm not going to get, but I know what I want. I want the Big Daddy Millennium Falcon. So, Santa Claus, if you're watching, I want that set. I don't care if it costs $3,000, I still want it. So maybe someone will donate it to me, I don't know. See if I can get Lego's attention. See if they can send me an extra set, just so I can build it and say I got it on my site. You know, that'd be like the pinnacle of sets to have on my site. Okay, this is the part that I didn't do last time. I'm not forgetting it this time. Okay, and this goes on top. Like that. Man, everything's going together nice and smooth here. 33 minutes. Not bad at all. Alright. Break out the wing. Well, bad choice of words, huh? Break out the wing. Okay. Oh yeah, much better this time. Good. Bear with me as I bite my lip on that one. Alright, snapped together like it was supposed to go there. Oh, it is supposed to go there. Alright. Look how quick we're doing this wing. We're getting it done quick, huh? Excuse me. Alright. Let's get this done. I'm not skipping a beat on this. I haven't missed any parts that I can see. We'll see. Alright. Here we go with this. Right? I got this right? Yeah, I got it right. Alright, let's see if it cooperates with me here. That's the part that connects it all together, you know. Alright. I like that. I like when it snaps together like that. It's just so good. Alright. Down here, it's asking me to put a pin in there. Because obviously we are about to put another section on here. Alright. Okay. Really? What do you know? I actually was wondering about that. There was an extra one of these in the box, and I really didn't know why. I might have skipped over a step when I was pulling the Legos out. Okay, I think the last time I did this, it went right together, no problem. There we go. Snap. Oh, there's two parts here. I just realized. I think, oh, these are the parts I left out last time. Didn't see the last minute. Okay. There we go. It's going together nicely. There's a huge section there. Okay. This goes there. Oh, I thought I was losing my mind. I thought I had a missing piece here. Oh well. I don't. Everything's going together like it should. There we go. Alright. Why do I feel like I'm missing something here? Oh, I'm not missing anything. I have to put the pieces in. That's a lot of pins, huh? What do you think? That's a lot of pins sticking out the side. Sure is. Okay, now two of these. If I remember correctly, these popped right on the last time. Just like that. What do you know? It's magic. How about this? Is this going to pop right on in for me? Yeah, it sure did. Man, that's a beautiful thing. Alright. Hey, we're getting down to a couple pieces left. That's a good sign. That's a sign that the wing's almost done. I do have one more video that follows this video, and that's going to be for the guns. Alright, one more of these. These go on. Right? Yeah. Now I'm going to use the next video for the guns. Alright. That's all said and done. Snapped right on in. Good deal. Alright. Here we go. I'll tip it up this time so you can see it happen. Click. One here, right? There. One in between there. Click. Skip one, go down. It goes in there. Click. right next to it. Right here. And right next to it. I'm gonna go down to the bottom because I'm losing track where I am on the wing. There. One here. Everything looking good on video. 39 minutes, not bad. Okay, I lost track. Alright, there goes there. Right? Right. Should have 3 in a row. Blue. Yeah, okay. Time for these pieces. Okay, this goes there. One of these goes here. Yeah, that's there. This goes there. Now, I did clean these pieces, but boy, they get dirty quick. Okay, now we'll go down the side. You know what that means, right? That's a done wing. And you know what else that means? Time to put it on. You remember this part from the other one. I'm gonna move my mouse out of the way here, make sure video is still rolling. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna angle this down a little bit more. Make sure I got it where I can work with it. Oh yeah. Okay. Everybody remembers this. This is like the... For some reason this part just scares me a bit. It just feels like it's gonna snap when I do this. Okay, that's one pin. The other pin out. And there it goes in through there. Come on. Yeah, boy, that thing is in there tight. Okay, I'm just gonna let this lay down. Try not to mess with it too much. I'm trying to crank down so it lines those pieces up. It's a big model, folks. It is definitely a big model. Okay, get this, slide this through there, right? Yep. And then put this on there, like that. One of these in there. One of these things through there. This through there. That goes there. This goes here. We are getting to the end of this wing. Okay, this goes on the front. Here comes the very scary part again. Ah, that wasn't too bad. Okay. Let's get one more here. Now, I'm going to put this part out because people will see that. That went on pretty easy. Just hope it's not cracked. This is a replacement part, let's say, because unfortunately I snapped the other one. When I was taking it apart, it fell apart on me. It just disintegrated. Now watch this not go in together. Oh, whew. I was going to say, okay, this goes in the back, like so. And this piece, there we go. And there we go. Hey, what do you know? 2 pieces. They're out. I'm just wondering, did I miss something? No. It's all together. Everything's like it's supposed to be. Obviously not. Okay. I'll put that in there. And there we go. The next is going to be... Oh. I don't know if I have these in here or not. I'll check. Sorry. Bear with me. You've seen me go through this process before. I had to dig through my little spare parts bag here. Find 2 pieces here. Let's steal them from General Grievous. Yes, I have General Grievous bag down here. Oh. Alright. Now, this goes there. And I'm going to lift this wing up. Sorry if my arm gets in the way. I'll move it promptly here. I just gotta make sure this wing goes up. And it is. What do you think, Lord Vader? Good for you? Good for me. Okay, these go on the back. Alright, check it out. The next are the guns, which aren't that much. Just front guns, side guns, and back gun. And this puppy is done. I will try to swing it around here so you can see it downward at the top. 46 minutes. Do a wing. I got the time a little bit quicker. There you go. I will, when I go to put the other wings on and everything, I will put it up on the other stand, so it will, so you can see what it looks like when it's up on the other stand. So, where's my mouse? There we go. Well, I will see you on the next video, because I don't have all the parts and pieces for this gun part yet, but I will soon. Well, this is the model 10212 in its entirety almost. It took me a little while to build this. I had a lot of fun building it. Sorry for my head, but I gotta check things out, you know. Okay. Alright, one more video. Just sit tight and I'll get the parts out and we'll shoot the rest of it, and I'll have it up on the stand so I can open the wings fully and you can see exactly what it's like. Alright. Thanks for tuning in and bearing with me on this long process of the Imperial Shuttle. Model set 10212, and it is the Lambda class T4A shuttle. I don't know if you can see that or not. What do you think? There it is. Alright, I'll see you on the next video so we can conclude this set and put it behind us. See you on the next one.